Thank you for purchasing the indoor dual-color amplified antenna. Please note the installation diagram before setting up your antenna. Connect your antenna's cable directly to your TV's cable input port. If your TV does not have a digital tuner, connect your antenna's output cable connector to the amplifier input and then connect the amplifier's output cable to your TV. Use the included USB cable to connect your amplifier to a power source. Go to your TV settings and perform an auto scan, which may also be listed as auto program, channel search, or channel scan, depending on your TV. Move your antenna around and note which locations receive the most channels and best reception. The antenna can be placed on a wall or window using the included double-sided stickers. Place the stickers on your antenna and then adhere to a flat surface.